Good morning, I'm Johnny Singlish in Singapore, and this is my hometown. I'm born and bred in Little India. This is the back of my old house, the color in blue. Live and bred in Little India. This used to be a football pitch and now has become a place to relax under the sun with umbrellas, artificial trees with colorful umbrella. This video is filmed with KGB. KGB means camera gone bonkers. Have the potential to be like the GoPro camera. Not necessary to explain, to film for all sort of reason and to film for all season. Johnny Singlish has made filming so easy for everyone, for your grandpa and grandma, kids and babies, your pet doggies and kitties, birdies and fishies. Most importantly, not forgetting the handicap. Plus, the most dumb and dumber too. So I will wear the black cap on my head. So filming make easy. Just wear your cap and stick it on your cap. And this is the metal, and I will stick KGB onto the metal bar. So cap stick it or can stick it anywhere to film except toilets and loo. So this is the first color, the black cap, camera gone bonkers. Cap, stick it to film hands-free. Yes, I can film. Can stick it anywhere to film. The first color, black. The next color is yellow. KGB can also means for cutting, golf, boating. Same, cap stick it to film hands-free. PSI to film. Can stick it anywhere to film. In yellow color. The third one, it can be also for KFC, Kung Fu camera, to film your boxing, Kung Fu, whatever extreme sports, UFC, you name it, just film it. So Kung Fu camera in red. Cap stick it to film hands-free. PSI to film. Can stick it anywhere to film except toilets and the loos, guys. So the third one is red in color. Fourth is Any1cam. Anybody, including kids and babies. Babies, why? You just tie the camera with a twister cable on your stroller bar, and mommy can film a lovely baby all day long out in the park. So Any1cam, cap stick it to film hands-free, PSI to film, can stick it anywhere to film. So the fourth color is orange, Any1cam. Fifth color is FBI. FBI means football insane. Football is really an insane game. Cap stick it to film hands-free, PSI to film, cam stick it anywhere to film. FBI can also means filming behind is possible, or front business I cam, or front business I spy. Fifth color cap in light blue. This is the 6th camera in dark blue. It's also FBI. So Fun Business iCam. You can see the words here, Fun Business iCam. Can stick it to film hands-free. CSI to film. Cam, stick it anywhere to film except toilets and loose, guys. So this is a 6 camera, and all these 6 are the smaller size, and the razor is a shorter. Number 7 is black in color again. It's got the longer visor and the bigger size cap. So once again, KGB, the old Russia spy agency, is called KGB. Camera gone bonkers. Camera in Malay is spelled with a K. It will make everybody go bonkers. CSI, sorry, cap stick it to film hands-free. CSI to film. Cam, stick it anywhere to film. So this is a number 7, which is black in color, the bigger size cap. Red is number 8, again is KFC, Kung Fu camera. Just on the other one is spelled with FOOL, so you can fool around, film and fool around. Tap stick it to film hands-free. CSI to film. Cam, stick it anywhere to film. Number 8, which is red in color, also bigger size. Number 9 is white in color, which is called Ace, Amazing Chameleon Eyes. Chameleon spelled without the H. Tap stick it to film hands-free. CSI to film. Cam, stick it anywhere to film except toilets and loose again, guys. So number 9 is white in color, which is Ace, Amazing Chameleon Eyes. Number 10 is dark blue, which is also FBI, filming beyond imagination. And with KGB, you really can film beyond imagination. CSI to film hands-free. CSI to film. Sorry, I mean tap stick it to film hands-free. CSI to film. Cam, stick it anywhere to film. Anywhere. Speed trunk, anything that you name it is possible. With Johnny's English ideas and solution, any filming is possible now. Mission impossible is possible now with KGB. So this is the number 10 cap, dark blue. Or if you are the fighter, you can have this all black with the word fights. UFC Ultimate Filming Camera. UFC Ultimate Filming Camera. The words has not been stitched yet. And the last cap, this is a bit more special. You can fold it. There are 2 folds. You can fold it this way and put it in your pocket. Cap. You can put it in your pocket. Put it in your pocket.